Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features. Features also include leather seats, heads-up display, cooled seats, ventilated seats. We are pleased to show you the 2019 Escalade ESV. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, heads-up display, rear AC, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.